I'm all about my business, no apologies. I run a life fitness, can't believe in this moment. I'm free. I'm free. Yeah. Look good, smell good, it's a vibe. It's a vibe on my wrist, it's about that time. I gotta go big, cause I got that. Gotta go big, cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good, cause I never say never. Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, cause I never say never. Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm 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 feeling good.
Minamahal na kapatid, mga kaibigan, tayo po ay nagkatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at ng kapulungan ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib nila Melvin at Annalyn sa isang banal at kristyanong kasalan.
Di kailangan
You, Melvin, take Annalyn, whom you now hold by the hand as your true and lawful wife.
I do.
Do you, Annalyn, take Melvin, whom you now hold by the hand as your true and lawful husband?
I do.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan at
Yes! Happy birthday!
In 2019, we start from long distance friends, strangers to friends, and friends to become best friends. After 1 year, to get to know each other.
Isa't isa.
Mahal, I miss you a lot. Sabi nga, para tayong nagmamahal ng walang kasiguraduhan. But I deeply and kneel down to my prayer to God in Matthew 21. Finally, we are here now in the God's will.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal.
Kung may answered prayer, I love you. Our love story started from how are you and we ended it in tara magpakasal na tayo.
Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan.
God answered me na this is the right time and alam ko na ito na yung time na binigay sa atin ni Lord.
Nagdarama.
Mahal, ngayon magkakasama na tayo. I promise I'll be a good partner to you, a good husband, and to be a good father soon. Continue the work of God sa ating buhay. In Jesus' name. I love you, mahal.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangako
Nasa tabi mo lang ako. I promise to love you, to support you, to encourage you, and to pray for you. Hindi akong perfect one, but I promise to be your Proverbs 31. Hindi rin ikaw ang aking the one, but you are my second one. The future for us is uncertain right now, pero may langit na nagtatanggol sa pag-ibig na matyaga.
Kaya nating harapin ang kinabukasan na walang takot at pangamba. Of course, i-remind lang kita na sa tamang dragon ka.
ang damdamin, ngunit bigla kang dumating.